Let's be real. A Disney vacation can feel insanely expensive. When we were planning our family trip, I could swear I could hear my wallet crying in the corner.
Seriously, every time I added something to the cart, I felt like we were signing up for a lifelong debt. But here's the magic. What if we told you that you could cut over $130 a day and not lose a single ounce of Disney magic?
We did it.
And today we're showing you exactly how. These are the money secrets Disney hopes you'll never figure out. Everything from overpriced traps to smart splurges that made our trip feel shockingly first class.
The numbers sound wild, right? $130 per day?
Over a 5-day trip, that's $650 just staying in your pocket. That's not spare change, that's real money.
When we first started planning, we had to we had that sinking uh-oh feeling. Tickets, hotels, food. It felt like we were going to be paying this off until retirement.
But we were determined, and we were not coming home to live off ramen noodles.
So we went deep.
Like, forget scrolling TikTok. I'm reading crowd calendar for fun deep.
We found strategies Disney does not advertise.
And today, we're breaking down the 6 secrets we used, the simple math behind them, and the exact blueprint so you can do it too.
And stay with us because secret number 5 is how we get that first class feeling for the price of a pretzel.
The biggest money saving decision you'll make, it's not where you stay or what you buy, it's when you go.
Disney uses surge pricing, meaning they charge way more when they know everyone wants to be there. Christmas, spring break, midsummer, straight up financial black holes.
For our trip, we went late August. Yes, it's hot, but schools are back in session. Crowds drop and prices drop with them.
That Animal Kingdom ticket, that's $119 in late August, jumping to $170 or even $180 during holiday weeks.
Same parks, same rides, totally different price tag.
Late January, early May, September, those are your sweet spots.
Flexibility is the ultimate budgeting superpower.
Now let's talk about the park hopper. Disney pushes it like it's oxygen. Start in Magic Kingdom and end up at Epcot. Sounds awesome, right?
But here's the truth, it's expensive, and for most families, totally unnecessary.
Adding Park Hopper can run you $70 to $85 per person. For a family of 4, that's $280 for one day of hopping.
And hopping takes time. You're not zipping between parks like Disney Channel characters. You're waiting for buses, boats, monorails, skyliners.
Meanwhile, each park easily fills a day. Skipping Park Hopper saved us money and our sanity.
Okay, we've tackled the big three: timing, tickets, and hotels.
If your brain's already buzzing with ideas, do us a favor and hit subscribe.
Because next, we're diving into food strategies and those first class splurges. And trust me, you don't want to miss those.
Now we're talking about the high low food philosophy. Food is a budget landmine of any Disney trip.
But you don't have to live off granola bars. You just need the high low food strategy.
The low side is smart daily eating. Quick service meals are lifesavers, affordable, fast, and actually good.
Satuli Canteen bowls, Columbia Harbor House platters, and the portions at Flame Tree Barbecue. Built for sharing, we split meals constantly and save a ton.
Bring your water bottles. Get free ice water from any quick service spot. Avoid the $5 Dasani tax.
Pack snacks so you're not pulled in by every popcorn cart on Main Street.
Now the high side, the fun part.
Because we've saved so much day to day, we picked one special table service meal, not the priciest buffet, just something meaningful we could all look forward to.
It felt luxurious without destroying the budget.
Saving 80% of the time means the 20% splurge feels like magic.
Now about maximizing your free magic. Here's where people get it wrong. So much of the Disney magic is free.
Your resort alone has pools, movies, under the stars, activities, campfires, sometimes even surprise character moments.
We also did a whole afternoon of monorail resort hopping, completely free, and it felt iconic.
And watching fireworks from the Polynesian beach, free. Amazing, no crowds.
And don't forget about the boardwalk, street performers, boats, music.
You stop thinking, what's this going to cost me? And start asking, how much magic can we find for free?
Now we're going to talk about the smart splurge system. This is a secret that ties it all together.
Before we left, we each picked our one non negotiable splurge.
Our daughter wanted Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, and our son wanted a lightsaber.
Those became their souvenirs. Not 10 t shirts, not 20 trinkets, just one special thing.
For us, our splurge was Genie Plus, but we used it strategically. Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios only.
What we paid for in lightning lanes, we got back in hours of saved time.
A deluxe vacation isn't about having everything, it's about having the right things.
Disney will always be an investment, but it doesn't have to be a debt sentence.
When you intentional about timing, tickets, food, freebies, and smart splurges, you don't lose magic, you gain it.
A $4,000 trip can feel more luxurious than a $10,000 one if you plan it right.
Now, we want to hear from you. What are your best Disney money saving secrets? Drop them in the comments.
And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.
This is Lee
And Lee
with
with All
All About
About
the
the Duck.
Duck. And
And
as
as
always,
always,
see
see
you
you
real
real
soon.
soon.